How to turn on or turn off use Face ID for contactless and payments on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, we scroll down, and in here, tap on Face ID and passcode. Next, we need to enter the passcode. Then go to Use Face ID for section and tap on Contactless and Payments. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. When you turn it off, it says turn off using Face ID and Contactless and Payments. So there is a confirmation box. Tap on the Continue button to confirm. Now you can also tap on the toggle button to switch it back on. It's only when you switch it off you need to confirm. If you turn it on, you do not need to confirm. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.